At 3:38.
3:30 soon 4 o'clock. 3:30 soon 4 o'clock.
Yes.
Jamaica life.
Yes, man. Jamaica life. Over there. My brother. It's a blessing, man.
Yes, man. Yes, man. You don't pass me, man.
I'm not tell you, man.
Yeah, yeah, friend, man.
See solid.
Yes, yeah.
Oh, big dada.
I want friend marry pan, you know. I want friend marry pan, you know. I want to you know.
Right now?
Hmm.
Hold on, let me tell you what.
Yeah.
At 3:38.
3:30 soon 4 o'clock.
Yeah, man. Jamaica yard life up and about. Ah, daddy. Yeah, man. There I do the maths, see it. So I'm up on a boat today. I'm going to run go seafood. Yeah, man. Well, I walk at the moment, but I'm going to go get the vehicle. Yeah, man. So come with me. Out there.
Nice.
Yeah, man. I'll say later.
Fire.
Jamaica yard life. Up and about another day. Yeah, man. Another blessed day. It's a blessing, man. We're getting this nice sunshine in the afternoon. Wow. It's a real blessing. Yeah, man, but I'm on my way run go see Fort, you know. Yes, man. So I say, you know what? Ciao. Let me take y'all with me, yeah? Tell me if you like the journey. Yeah, man. You know, this is yard, you know. Real yard life. Yeah, man. Like, share, and subscribe. Ah, daddy. A lot more. A whole lot more coming. Yes, man. Woo! The sun warm is oh so hot. Yes, man, the sun hot like fire. You know, we have to do what we have to do, so just come my yard. how the place look right now at this moment. Yeah, man. So this is how fun to look right now. See it. You go that body now, man. You have to take a little time and make sure you place your wheel right, or else you have to scrape up. Liquor. Can't mash up people. So we live a yard, you know, we always keep it vibrant, you know. Positive movements at all times. Yeah, man. This is yard, really hard life. Impressive. Yeah, man, ever give thanks to life, you know. Whoa, big brother. Yeah, man, creamy and run through, you know. Yeah, man, he's a youth to ever up and about and do the right thing. Yeah, man, if you not sell cream, you do some sort of hustle. You know, the positive way. Yes, man. Blessings, man. Blessings every time. Road with you know. No one there, yeah, I do that say. I just round the corner the way I go. Yeah, man. So you know where it go. Just round the corner. See for the near, man. Trust me. As bad as the road big. 1122 when you reach, you know. So just come my yard. Yeah, man. Solid set speed, bro. Blessings, man. Yeah, today, you know, I run down here to go collect some. They're on the road from Trinityville. Yes, man. To Seaford. Yeah. Christmas now. Wanna see a special shout out to all my subscribers. Yes, man. Thank you all for the support. And those who are just joining, and those who don't join us yet, please do. Hit that like button. Yes, man. Subscribe. And click the notification bell. Trust me, you will love it. This is yard life, you know. We'll keep it natural, all natural. No. Up top. See it, brother. Alright, free, brother. Manners, man, but they up on the flag, you see it. Everything up.
Yeah, man, I go all it, man.
Proper, man, brother.
You got to because we're there in 20, America,
Yeah.
Auntie when you in Jonah, England.
Straight.
All of my cousins over there, America, Canada.
Yeah, man,
You
solid,
know.
said speed, bro.
Up top.
Blessings, man. Yeah, today, you know, I run down here to go collect some something, you see me? Alright, family, stay strong, see? Oh, dear.
I know, man, really.
Yeah, man. Alright, open about seafood today. Yeah, man. Just link up with family, you know. As I say, for once in the streets. I go buck up on people from yard, you see me? Yeah, man, real people, you know. Oh, that. Yeah, man, I have to pull through. Deal with it nice and easy. The road are kind of shabby, but that's how it go. Wait for the vehicle to pass, you know. The road beside, you know. Solid. Oh, big dada.
Kingston.
Proper. Yo, my general. We soon link up, you know, brother. But you know, me not even up.
Oh, dear brother, I know anything going on, man. More time we up, more time we down.
Yeah, man, me dey on a YouTube thing, you see me?
Guidance,
Alright,
yeah.
bro, do it. Man as in a God. Proper. Yeah, man. You know, whoever out here, nah. General, them ever up and I do the right thing, you see it? Yeah, man. This is how yard set, you see me? We always out here do some positive move. Yeah, man, more while it we up on it. You see me, and more things we done, but we can't make that stop, yeah? You see me? As Jamaicans, when I say we're born tough, you see it? Yeah, man, and this is just a real reason I come from youth, where been there. Yeah, man, and face a lot, you see me? Even though you have people who face a lot more than you see me? But you know the energy come on. Keep it positive daily, you see me? Get up, get about and do the right thing, you see me? Yeah, man. Really hard life. Generally, I'm out and I fix the road. You see me? But even though it take them a little while, them a do the maths. Oh, brother. Yeah, man, them a do the maths right way, you see it? Yeah, man. So, you know, we have to just wait for the time being. Soon get proper road. Oh, big dada. Yeah, my big machine there up. You see me, a whole heap of work I go on the road, but time to come and see where I go on still. Yeah, man, because you know me already. Once me get the opportunity to show y'all around, I will. Yeah, man. Other than that, might have do little work and yeah, you see me? Oh, big Jenna. Yeah, my youngster them up on boat, you know, on them bicycle. Yeah, man, it's a blessed day. Come with me and see foot, me I go. Yeah, man. As I say, the road kind of bad, but even I saw it go, you know. If you just make do that we have solid. Ooh. Oh, daddy. My man they ever up on a boat and I do the right thing, you know. I want to let's say I'll bicycle man, I overtake me on the road. He rough. Yeah, man, but we have to just take time and pull through. You have to take care of people things when you have it, you know? Yeah, man. For all them youths out there, we rent vehicle for the Christmas. Yeah, man, everybody we move up and about. Yeah, man, safety come first. Yeah, man, always remember safety comes first. So no matter where you're gonna, you end up on a yes, man. You see it? Yeah, man. No yes at all. Keep it real, huh? Ooh. So everybody body up flip. I've just take time and pull through. Oh, nutty. Bless up, daddy. Yeah, man, nutty from Penny, you know? And I ever up and about and I do the right thing. Always I selling peanuts. You see, pull up out on the road and wait for the big unit to pull through. Wow, hopefully in the future, I pull one of them machines there, you see it? Yeah, man, or something bigger than it, but just there I go and wait to see it. Yeah, man, because you never know what the most I have in store for you, see me? Yeah, man, you have to just keep praying and keep doing the right things daily. See it? Yeah, man. Really hard life. Big machine. Yo. Proper. Yeah, man, come in, we are going to see food. Well, when they're done, they see food already. See there. See the food. Yeah, man. Journey on the block, you know. But anyway, let's see if we can sort out them, you see, and forward. You see. Do up the mat the right way. Pull in on the block, yeah, man. See foot, you know. See if we can get up nice to parking space and do a mat so quick and fast. Woo. This is a really hard life. Open about another day, giving thanks to life as usual. I'm there seafood. Yes, man, I'm there with a whole heap of friends and family. I don't know the day go. So always a blessing.
No, you just on Sunday morning.
But the day I fix up a skate, you know.
I'm in the ghost. I'm a fix a basket, so I'm ugly and grey.
Yeah, man, you're pussy.
You want to pussy, check me.
It's not easy.
What's up, my sister?
Yeah, today now. Yeah, man, and this is how we live daily. Always have fun. And we just live, you know.
Yeah, me is the man with 5 years. What is for run up, you know, run up. Natural, you know. Until you want to the man with the cars, them as run the dust. You just come and take me, you see?
Some protect them, baby, I'm a friend.
Yeah.
The bogey there.
Yeah.
Right. How far skate this? A youngster?
Yes, yeah.
Oh, okay, it's a blessing, man.
That one there?
Yeah.
You want to tell me for? Him and the old man. Name bogey. You want to tell me?
Daddy, you want to get trouble with it? Oh. Alright, Daddy, which is right. I said, come on. But I saw we live a yard, you know. We ever find something to keep it going, you know? Alright.
Yeah, wickedest thing, man.
Blessings, Daddy. This is yard, you know. Nice and beautiful. Love the countryside. But, trust me, no place like home, you know. It's a blessing. Trust me. Real blessing. Who that? Fire what? Cock? The clappers? I don't know where they're gone. They're gone down the road. I know so they're gone down the road. Oh, big dada. Down the road, Mr. Gone.